My cat right here? Yeah, no problem. No problem.
Hey guys. Good afternoon, guys.
This hangover?
Yes.
Hangover 2.
Oh, watching the trilogy. They have it on HBO Max right now.
It's called Dual Razor Concept. It's one of my dad's
the other day.
techniques.
Take it away.
All over there.
Good afternoon, guys. I am here at King's Barbershop here in Corpus Christi, Texas. Guess what I'm doing? Something with my hair again. I am doing a shave in the back with a design. You know me. During pandemic, I cut my hair last time crazy, and here I am doing it again. I think I'm gonna do one. I'm gonna come over here once a month and do a different design.
How you doing? How you doing? We got Razor Rob here, one of our. Well, he's our only employee, but he's the spokesman of King's Barbershop, so he's the one that does all the talking.
So he's going to tell you a little bit about what's going on and what's up at this place. Let me turn it around. Okay, there you go.
Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? It's your boy Razor Rob right here, baby. Hey, so we're here in Corpus Christi, Texas at King's Barbershop. Right now, got my buddy Chris working on, I'm sorry, I didn't catch your name to begin with.
Poppy.
Say that again.
Poppy, like the flower.
Poppy, Miss Poppy. I like it. So Chris is right here working on Miss Poppy. He gave her one of his creative designs here. Go ahead and get a look at it 1 second. Right now he's thinning. He's using a hair razor. Not too many people can do this. You got to be certified to do this as well. Look at the technique on that. All right. Well, with y'all looking at that, tell you a little bit about the shop. We're here Monday through Friday, guys, from 9 to 5, and then we got Saturday from 9 to 3. Thursday's the day you're gonna want to come in. Thursday late nights, we get a little bit on the drinking side. If you guys want to come hang out, you know, it's kind of something you got to come experience yourself. A lot of people do come. It's a great time, good, all fun, and I'll say this: come with tough skin, cause everybody can get it. Just saying. But hey guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pass it back over to Miss Poppy. Again, King's Barbershop at 7626 South Staples, Corpus Christi, Texas, Suite 105. Make sure to come see us. Ask for Chris, ask for Rob, myself, or ask for Mike.
Awesome.
Right back over there. Say what's up, Mike.
What's up?
Hey, all these guys here, man, we're well known. Ask the city about us. We're everywhere, all over Facebook. They got family throughout the city as well. I'm telling you, over years of experience here in this barbershop. I want to say, what, Chris, what, 50, 60 years? More?
65, 70 with you.
Oh, 75. I want to say over 75 years. We do all kinds of haircuts. I want to go from businessmen haircuts, military haircuts, children's, boys haircuts, women's styles as well. Perms, you name it, all across the board. We're certified in many different type of services we can provide for you guys. We do facial work. Man, the list goes on and on. Just come in, throw us what you got, and we can get around to doing it. Just let us know. And again, here's Poppy. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. There you go.
Okay. Awesome, guys. Awesome. Once again, take a look at my haircut. I will post in the comments, post a picture of it. If y'all want to come over here and get your haircut, it is amazing. Hunter just got his haircut yesterday, and they did a great job. He just needed a simple haircut. Get ready for back to school. So y'all come out, see us, and again, I'm so excited. It's the first time I've ever shaved the back of my head and gotten a design, and he did amazing. Love you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.